to Vegas.
Yeah.
Alright, so once again, my name is Sean O'Brien. For the camera, please say your first and last name.
Brendan Henley.
And we're going to be doing 7 laps in the beautiful Ferrari F8 Tributo. Sound good?
Sounds fantastic.
Cool. So the mirrors are all set up for me. You've already been out there on track. You were in the Shelby. You've driven a couple of the cars previous time. So the same rules apply. I might place my hands on the wheel for safety reasons or to show you the line a little bit better. Just focus on your eyes, your vision, and staying in front of the car. Looking those couple steps ahead. Other than that, just keep it smooth, keep it balanced, and build up the pace. This thing is obviously very different than the Shelby. It's very different than a lot of the other cars, as kind of you would expect, right?
A little more weight, not up front.
Yeah. A little bit more balanced under braking, I would say. The car likes a little bit of brake pressure as you turn it in, which means that you can brake a little bit later. You just don't want to jump off the brakes too early before you start turning in. Right, exactly. You don't have the advantage of the weight on the front.
Yeah.
So it makes sense, but doing it is another thing.
Yeah.
Other than that, yeah, super fast. Brake pedal's quite long in this car, you'll find. Paddle shifts are great. I love the paddle shifts in this car, phenomenal.
They don't move with the wheel.
Correct.
They're tall.
Yeah, that's an Italian thing. The Lambos are the same way. They don't put them on the wheel, they put them on the columns because you should only shift in a straight line, and they like to tell you what to do. So that's how it is. Mostly
sense.
4th, 5th, and a little bit of 6th down that straightaway.
Okay.
Any questions?
Nope.
Okay, let's go. Foot on the brake, upshift once. Yep, you're all clear. You can pull forward, and you're going to make a U-turn to the left.
Yeah, the gas and brake are pretty close.
Quite close together. You'll see that in the McLaren as well. Are you able to... If you're not able to drive, one, we can either get you different shoes, or...
No, I mean, I just want to...
I don't want you to get into a situation where...
No, I got used to it from the Mustang. I'm good.
Okay. All right, cool.
It's just,
I've had people with real wide shoes, and they either need to change shoes or we need to figure out a different way of getting it down there so we're not pressing 2 pedals at once.
Yeah.
As you can imagine, that could become a problem. Pull up to these 2 blue cones on the right here, and we're going to hang out here for just a little bit. There is a car coming. Okay, you can head on to track now and then merge over to your right. Shift. Back over to your left-hand side towards your chicane. Shift. Good. Shift. So you want to come out wide left, look right, and then start your turning towards your apex. As you start to squeeze into the throttle, unwind to the left, straighten it out. Shift up. Shift up. Brakes. Downshift. Start your turning down to your apex. Whoop, catch it.
Yeah.
And roll back into the throttle and unwind to the left side. Well, that's convenient. Okay, so go ahead, slow the car down. Start your turning, and you're just going to stay on the racing line for now. Your power has been limited for some reason.
Okay.
Make your way back over here to the left-hand side. And just coast, Probably needs to cool down a little bit.
Okay.
And then we're going to make our way back on into the pits. And you can just kind of coast on over here to the left-hand side, up and over the hump all the way down. And then we'll see what's going on. I'll double check the warning light.
Sure.
And then we'll start our session over. Cool. Alright, so just go straight all the way down. Actually, park in this stall right here.
Right here?
Yeah, any of these stalls. Just pull up. Yep. Cool. And turn the wheel all the way to your right. Okay, you can pull forward just a little. Round 2. Hopefully we fixed it.
Alright, good to go.
Yep, put on the brake, upshift once. Cool. Make your way over to the right hand side. So same thing, just head over to the stop sign there.
Yep.
Pull up to the 2 blue cones. We do have 2 cars coming though.
Yep.
So we're going to hang out here for just a minute. Oh, they went into the pits. You're all clear. Head on to track and then shift up. Good, shift up. Back over to the left-hand side, shift up. And do one more upshift for me, please. Thank you. A little bit of brake, eyes right. Start your turning towards your apex. Start to squeeze onto that throttle, straighten out the wheel, and let's go. Same think?
I think so,
And
yeah.
it just cut power. I felt that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's bring it back in. I'll have a mechanic look at it.
Coast it in.
Yeah. Yeah. It would usually say like, there's a warning light that comes up that says temps high, and then it'll advise you what to do, and it's not doing that, which is weird. Plus 200, 210 is not that hot. I don't know what overheat is. I want to say it's closer to 230, 240, but
Yeah, because the little dial on the thing is definitely
more
on
as
the
if it was,
lower
the
side.
dial. Yep, it's like midway through. So let's head on over here to the left-hand side. Cool. And then let's just make our way back into the pits. So we're
Is
gonna.
that other one the same?
What's
You
that?
have two F8s?
No, unfortunately, we only have one.
I mean, I don't know if the other one's just as good.
No, this is the only F8. The other cars are 488s.
488s. I mean, that's fine with me if it's...
Yeah, go ahead. Well, you might not have any options,
Yeah,
to be honest with
same
you.
one as before?
No, this time I want you to go straight. Actually, we're just going to pull it back into our stall, and then we'll just walk in and figure it out there.
Okay.
Yeah. See you. Just go all the way down up here to the right-hand side. Part of the problem is the temperature. The temperatures are just ridiculously hot, so
Yeah.
certain things are affected differently. Maybe not overheating wise, but certain things can be affected by heat. Go over here to the right hand side. Cool. Come to a stop. Pull back on both paddles at the same time. Turn the wheel all the way to your right.